Welcome to BREAMLEA, a secluded seaside hamlet located on the south coast of the Bellarine Peninsula. 18 kilometres south of Geelong and halfway between Barwon Heads and Torquay, it is divided between the city of Greater Geelong and the Surf Coast Shire. Thomsons Creek, also known as Brim Creek, runs through a natural network of reedy canals and widens before it enters Buckley's Bay. At the mouth of the creek is Point Impossible, which is a well-known longboard surf break. The area was once populated by the Monmart clan of the Watherong people. The rock shelves on the coast in the area have always been rich in shellfish, and large middens of discarded shells can be seen on the headland between Buckley's Bay and Stingray Bay. On one side of Thomsons Creek, you'll find the remnants of an old World War II gun placement. You can enter inside and find a beautiful backdrop of a stunning view of BREAMLEA Beach. This large, open reserve is dominated by coastal salt marsh and ancient coastal Moona woodlands and includes the adjacent Karief wetlands. The estuary of Thomsons Creek supports a fascinating salt marsh community. Historically, wetlands, in particular saline ones, were regarded as smelly old swamps and only good for breeding mosquitoes. Salt marshes are actually highly productive areas and provide fish breeding habitat, shallow foraging areas for wading birds, and water filtering areas for stream flow. Chaffey sausage, the reedy vegetation that you've seen at the start of this film, has a particular role to play as well. It is home to the threatened skipper butterfly. This butterfly specifically inhabits these species of sedge. Salt marsh plants are highly adapted to living in extreme conditions. The plants typically deal with the challenges of high salt levels, being inundated by tide twice daily. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short film. Like and subscribe for more.